trivia question about Chicago. Maybe you know the answer to this. You take a street like State Street, that runs north-south. Michigan runs north-south. Madison goes east-west. Ontario, Randolph goes east-west. But there's one street that has directions, all four directions. North, south, east, and west. It's a Chicago street. Does anybody know it? Yes, sir. This guy's smart. You're gonna take the next tour. We'll give you the microphone. You do well. Yeah, this is the Wacker House right here.
Wow.
Charles Wacker was a civic leader. He helped establish things like the Outer Drive. That was his house. All right, Mr. Smarty, see if you can decipher that Latin boat name. Semper Avante. There's somebody on it. Semper Avante. What does it mean?
Forward.
What?
All I know is the Avante, forward.
Yes, always forward. Good for you. Avante. Here's a whimsical house. Looks like the lady made the wrong turn here. Whoopsie. It's a guest house called the SS No-Go. It's a part of a 1930s house
Avante?
called
Always forward.
Casa del Sueño, the House of Dreams.
Oh, wow.
We might get a little rock and roll here. Let me turn into this guy's wake. Got a pretty good one going.
Up. Whoop.
Casa del Sueño at one time was owned by the Bells. Mr. Bell, producer of soap operas, some of which you'll know. The Bold and the Beautiful and the Young and the Restless. Here's another trivia question. At one time, there was a car that was called the Avante. Does anybody know that? It was a